Okay, so today I am going to solve problem C. Okay, so it says Logan played Dreambox for 274 minutes this week. He played Dreambox for 158 minutes less than Jackie. How many minutes did Jackie play Dreambox? So when I'm looking at this problem, I know that Logan played Dreambox for 274 minutes. He played Dreambox for 158 minutes less than Jackie. Now, when you see less, you might think you need to subtract. But in this equation, you actually need to add. So we know that Logan played Dreambox for 158 minutes less than Jackie. This tells us that Jackie actually played more Dreambox than Logan. So that's how I know that I need to add, because my answer should be bigger than what Logan played. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up my problem. Okay, let me just scroll down. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and label my hundreds, tens, and ones. And then I'm going to set up using expanded form. Okay, so I have 200s, I have 7 tens or 70, and then I have 4 ones. Over here I have 100, 5 tens or 50, and then I have 8 ones. So now I'm going to add all of these together. I always start at my ones place, so I know 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay. And then I know that I have 70 plus 50, okay, which is 120. And then I have 200 plus 100, which equals 300. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and you can break these down. So I know I have 300, I have 100, and I have 2 tens left, so I can break that down. And same with this one, I can break this down into a 10 and a 2. Or you could just keep adding across, so you will get the same answer. So if I look down here, I have 300 plus 100, which I know is 400, plus 20 is 420, plus a 10 is 430, plus a 2, which should be 432. Okay, here I could say 300 plus 100 is 400, plus a 20, 420, plus a 1, 430, plus a 2, 432. So your answer should be that she played for 432 minutes. Now I'm going to scroll back up to the last problem on this memory jogger, which is problem D. And I'm going to change my marker to blue so you know I'm working on problem D. And what I want you to remember about these problems is that when you have this problem right here, you need to know that 6 times 3 is the same as 3 times 6. So you should have gotten 3 times 6 equals 6 times 3. If you want to check your work, you could have done 3 times 6, which is 18, equals 18. So that means my work is correct. Now over here I have 0 equals 5 times something. I know that a number times 0 always equals 0. So if I were to do 0 times 3, that would be 0. 8 times 0, that would be 0. Over here I have 8 times something equals 8. I know that 8 times 1 is 8. Just like how 5 times 1 would equal 5, you're just multiplying one group with 8 dots inside, which means it's 8. Okay? Then this one says, write an equation to represent the shaded and unshaded parts of this array. So one thing I want you to remember here with this array is that it has different sides. Okay? So when I'm looking here, I need to count how many rows I have and how many columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So I'm going to write a 5 over here. Okay? And I'm just looking at the shaded part of my array right now. And then I'm going to count my columns. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have an array that is 5 times 8. So I need to put 5 here, and then I'm going to break up the 8 into 5 and 3. Okay, so there I know I have 40 should be my answer. Great job, guys.